Have you ever seen a meme or a social media link that you think could be a fantastic meme coin with a lot of viral potential? Well, usually you would need a lot of blockchain knowledge to actually get that whole thing going. But with a new platform I found called MEMEiT, which we're going to talk about today, this is actually something where you can just paste a link in. It's going to create the entire meme coin for you based on the link. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive into this. So here we are on the MEMEiT platform, and this looks incredibly simple, but it is the best way to create meme coins simply from pasting in a social media link. So you don't need any blockchain knowledge, you don't need any kind of crypto knowledge besides obviously connecting your wallet here, and you just paste in the link and it will create a meme coin for you. So how does this actually work? Well, here we've got a viral post from Elon Musk. And what we're going to do here is basically just copy the link to this post by pressing copy link here. And then we're going to go back to MEMEiT. We're going to paste that link in. And then there's an additional options button here that we can use. So this is going to be the not safe for work level. So if you want it to be slightly more rude, you would have it like this. Or if you want it more G-rated for younger audiences, then you could do so here as well. We can also add additional context. So if we wanted to tell the AI something that's going to create this, we can basically add it in here as like a bonus prompt to help it create the meme coin. But just to show you how much this works off the bat, what we're going to do is basically just press the MEMEiT button. We're going to say, yes, that is a video on the link. And then it's going to basically use the AI to create this meme coin for us. And as you can see so far, guys, it's literally no blockchain knowledge. This is built for everyone. You can basically launch a meme coin yourself with no coding and no dev knowledge in less than 60 seconds, as we can see we're doing here. So let's scroll down and see what it's come back with. We've got technology as the meme token name. We have the NVIDIA stock as the symbol, because this is a post about NVIDIA. And yes, it's even going to give us a description here of that. Now, it's not going to get it perfectly. We didn't give it any prompts, but what we can do is actually go in and edit any of this if we want. So we can call this NVIDIA Drive. And yes, then we can actually create this meme coin if we want. But it's also going to add social links for us and a website for us, which is a link directly to the post. So if there is a viral post coming through at the moment or at any time, a creator or someone that wants to actually make a token here can do so very easily by just having this link available, and it's going to be linked back to that social media post so everyone knows where this meme originated. Now, the cost for this you would expect to be pretty expensive, but it's actually incredibly cheap here. As you can see, the cost estimate for this token is currently 0.07 Sol, which would roughly cost around $12 in Solana here. So incredibly cheap when you're comparing this to hiring a blockchain dev, hiring an audit company. No, you don't need any of that. You basically just put the link in, let the AI work, and then make any edits you need. You can even change the AI image here for the logo. And then once we're happy, we simply just press buy here at the bottom after we've connected our wallet. So that is MEMEiT. And guys, this is one of the best ways to create meme coins. We can see people are already doing this. This is going to be a massive platform. We can see other people have put in links here. This is Grok token. We have BBB, and we have a bunch of others here that are basically recently deployed. There's also a leaderboard here to show us the best meme coins out there created by various wallets, and you're going to gain points here by obviously connecting your wallet, generating meme tokens to earn points, and deploying the token to earn points as well. And the best way I would describe this, guys, is you don't really need to understand how servers work to post on Instagram, right? Well, this is exactly the same thing, but on the blockchain side. You don't need to understand anything about blockchain to make a meme coin now. You can do it for $12 as we've seen today, and you can do it by simply just posting a link to the social post you want the meme coin to be about. And AI basically just does the rest for you. So if you're a creator, or if you have something that's going viral right now, and you want to be the first to make the meme coin on it, now you can do that very easily by linking directly to your post here. It's going to automatically create that meme coin for you, and then you are good to go from that point. And as we saw, as we created one just now, you actually have the option to buy up the token with a certain amount of Sol as soon as you create it. So that would be the equivalent of sniping your own token here in a fair launch environment. And that's why this platform is so good for the average retail user. And as we've seen as well, you don't even need to create your own website to accompany the meme coin, because you can link directly to the meme coin as your website when you're launching it. So that is MEMEiT. Definitely check it out in the description, guys. This is perfect for creators that get viral content. It's perfect for people that want to capitalize on other viral trends that are happening. You can basically do that now by simply putting a link into MEMEiT. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. Check this one out in the description, and we'll see you in the next one.